So we have two systems. On the one side we have a family system, and on the other side we have the business system. And when you talk about this interface, you look at what are the components of each system. In the family case, we have our culture, we have values, we have practices, right or wrong, sound or otherwise, we have practices, we have hierarchy, family hierarchy. We also have dynamics of family, and we have the leadership there. So that's one part. On the other side, when you talk about your business, you have an organization, you have people, you have systems, you have procedure, you have discipline, your way of working, there are rules, there are some set procedure rules, some practices that you have in business, and some other areas where you have to have systems, and then you have business leadership. So you have two systems which are available to you. I am emphasizing this once again. And you can import a few things from family system to business, and you can certainly think of bringing some discipline, etc., from business to family. You can hold some committee, you can hold some meeting, you can have a discipline of procedure, you can have discipline of putting into practice certain decided norms. This interface between family and business is what I am emphasizing. Let's look at it creatively and productively. That's what my theme is. Can you make them mutually supportive and interdependent? On the one side you have this, on the other side. And that's the agenda before advisors. Let's go to the other way now. Very simple construct I have made here for our consumption, for our understanding, for our use. And what is that? That if you look at this, there are three spheres. There are three components. There are three parts. And what are they? On the one side, you have the family. You have your family, your wife, children, parents, your brothers, extended family, wives of brothers, and all that. It's a family. It's there. Then, since you have a family business, family people go into business. So, family and business. And then that, since you are doing business, you have to have organization. You have to. So, business here is in terms of organization. So, there are three spheres. Family, family in business, business regime. Business regime, for our consideration, for our discussion here is organization. You have 5 people organization, no problem. You have 10 people working for you, no issue. You have 5,000, also can be dealt with. So it is not that this is only relevant to smaller, larger businesses. It is not that we are only talking about public limited companies. This is applicable in any setting. All those big settings that you think are big have grown from being small. So please understand this, recognize this. And many, many initiatives which you find relevant today in big ones have been initiated, have been started when they were small. They were not very large. So I want to say this because many of you feel, oh, this is not relevant to us. This is for big companies. No, it is not that.